Here's a list of 10 fat-burning juices that you can savor without any guilt. Cucumber lemon juice. Cucumber and lemon juice helps eliminate toxins from the body. That will accelerate the weight loss process. You need half a cup of water, 1 large cucumber, and half a lemon. Put the cucumber and lemon in a blender, and when they are ready, add the water. If the lemon taste is too strong, you can add more water. Spinach juice and kale. For this high-fiber juice, that stimulate the digestion, you need 3 handfuls of spinach, 2 apples, 3 to 4 kale leaves, and half a cucumber. Carrot and ginger juice. If you need a juice that burns calories and at the same time stimulates your immune system, this is carrot and ginger juice. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. You need a suitable piece of ginger, 3 to 4 carrots, a quarter of a lemon, and 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. If you don't like the taste of garlic, you can give it up. Berry juice. Another juice that works wonders when it comes to diets is that of berries. Apart from the fact that it is delicious, the extract also has an essential content of antioxidants. You need half a cup of strawberries, half a cup of raspberries, half a cup of mulberry, a cup of berries, lemon juice and water. Apple and mint juice to get rid of extra pounds, but also to get through the hot summer days more refreshed, you need an apple and mint juice. All you need is a handful of mint, 2 apples, half a cucumber. Green wheat juice. One of the juices that can help you lose weight fast is wheatgrass. Wheatgrass juice is probably one of the best sources of chlorophyll. It neutralizes toxins in the body and detoxifies the liver. Besides, it counterbalances the blood sugar level. Vegetable juice. And vegetable juice can help you melt the fat that gives you headaches. Due to the small amount of sugar contained in vegetables, their juice is an excellent weight loss accelerator. Also, the antioxidants and fiber help the digestion process and help to lose extra pounds. Beetroot juice. Nutritionists also recommend beetroot juice in diets. It successfully stimulates the immune system and encourages the production of red blood cells. Also, it detoxifies the liver. Pineapple juice. Another juice you can use if you want to get rid of the abdominal fat or belly fat is pineapple juice. Excellent in taste, it is recommended in combating obesity and curing anemia. Pineapple is rich in water and vitamins A, B, C, and E, but also phosphorus, manganese, iodine, iron, calcium. Cabbage juice. Cabbage juice is ideal for diets because it inhibits appetite, fights constipation, helps digestion, and has an energizing and vitaminizing effect. Also, it brings countless benefits to the body and helps you maintain your health. Add these refreshing natural drinks to your weight loss regime, and you won't regret it. I swear it. To get more